Okay, here's one that's actually an identity. We're going to make the left side look like the right side. That's what an identity actually is, or the right side like the left, doesn't really matter, but usually it's easier to take the harder side and make it look like the smaller one. So what I'm going to do is this. Notice I have, in a sense, basically a fraction. In order to add fractions, you have to have a common denominator. So the first thing I'm going to do is make this common denominator. I got to take this times both of these and that times both of those. Notice the sign, both the signs times the left side to get a common denominator, and I'm going to take the 1 plus cosine times this to make the right side right there. So as I do that, what's going to happen is this. I'll end up with a sine squared, and I'll have a cosine plus cosine squared one all over the same denominator. Now I can go ahead and combine the denominators together, and notice what sine squared and cosine squared are going to be what? That adds up to 1. I rewrote them together so we can see it together, combining the denominators. So that becomes 1. Now I have 1 plus cosine. Oh, look. I can cross those out. And if I cross those out, I have 1 over sine. Hey, and 1 over sine is the same thing as 1 over cosecant. Kind of hard to see it. I don't know if you can see it or not in the camera. But 1 over sine makes cosecant completely, which is exactly what we were looking for. But notice it starts with the common denominator, and then just starting to cancel some things out that we can to make simpler. That's all that was involved in identity. Make something more difficult look simpler.